Good morning. We are students from Chuen Public Ho Chi Minh Memorial College, and we are happy to be here today to share our exciting journey that we had explored of Space Seed. I'm Nina from Class 4A.
I'm Alice from Class 4A.
I am Elton from Class 4A.
I am Elton from Class 4B.
Let's talk about China's space farming breakthroughs. By sending seeds on Shenzhen missions, cosmic radiation creates peppers with 30% more vitamin C and salt-resistant rice. With the world's largest space seed bank, China tackles food challenge from orbit. Space breadcrumbs are boosting farms. Over 200 varieties planted on 3.2 million hectares increased yield. Yunnan farmers saw 35% higher corn profits. They also cut pesticide use by 12% and added 1.8 billion kg to grain output. Also, China's farming tech reaches the Moon and Mars. Chang'e 5 sprouted cotton in lunar soil, while NASA collab tested potatoes in Mars-like CO2 conditions. From Earth to space, China is redefining agriculture's future.
Our experiments began on May 7th of 2025, comparing 3 seeds, okra, eggplants, and butterfly pea. They are divided into space-exposed and Earth-controlled groups. Initially germinated on moist cotton under controlled conditions, and we observed distinct growth patterns. Now, we show the most significant changes or growth over the experiments. By May 21, day 14, the space eggplant seedlings had grown much taller than the Earth eggplant seedlings, while the Earth okra seedlings also showed a high growth rate. The following week, on May 29, day 22, we transplanted all seedlings into soil but continued to care for them in the lab after transitioning to hydroponics machine. By June 11, day 35, all seedlings grew much faster than they had in the lab with soil or without. Notably, the new space eggplant seedling rooted in the hydroponic system reached half the height of the Earth eggplant seedling. Overall, not all space-exposed seeds outperformed their Earth counterparts, such as the butterfly pea and okra seeds, which develop mold no matter what conditions. The space eggplant seedlings showed accelerated growth. Notably, when grown in soil, they grew much faster than the Earth eggplant seedlings, suggesting that space conditions may enhance growth for certain species. These results highlight the potential benefit of space-exposed eggplant seeds.
There are 4 factors to effect germination. Water, the first factor, is hydrate the seed, soften its cold, and activates enzymes to convert stored nutrients. Temperature, the second factor, is regulate the process, with most seeds prefer 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, though some require cold to break dormant. Light, the third factor, is stimulate seed photoreceptors. These interact with gibberellins to enhance enzymes like starch-breaking amylase. This chain reaction lets the embryo break the seed coat and the radicals start to come out. Soil, the last factor, is offer support nutrients like nitrogen and moisture retention. When these conditions align, the dormant seeds are awake, beginning its journey into a plant.
The reason why we use hydroponic instead of outdoor planting is because we can control the environment. Temperature and humidity can be better controlled indoors to prevent the outside climate from affecting growth. Second, we can prevent disease. Outdoor plants are susceptible to pests and disease, and this risk can be reduced indoors. Last, we can easily to control the light intensity to make sure your plants get enough light.
This competition taught me about plant growth and teamwork. When some seed didn't sprout or grew more, I learned the importance of proper care and environmental control. I wondered, would soaking seed or using cotton help? We tested different methods. Even failures were valuable. They sparked new ideas. Now, I'm eager to explore more planting techniques. This competition didn't just grow seeds. It grew my passion for plant science.
When I first held those space travel seeds, I've never imagined they'd take me on such an incredible journey of discovery. With these extraordinary space seed experiments, I gained far more than just scientific data. I acquired a transformative perspective on learning and discovery. Besides, I learned the importance of teamwork. How can I communicate and cooperate with my teammates?
In this experience, I've learned that teamwork is really important. For example, we divided the work and cooperate with different team members every day to help measure the height of the plants. Also, I've learned the process of plant growth. Watching it grow up day by day, I feel really successful.
Planting a seed from space feels very cool. Every time I check on it, I keep wondering, will it grow well or die? It is different from normal seeds. Seeing it grow taller or get more leaves, this makes me feel satisfied. Remember, when I see the seed have a little radical, which is the first time that I success to germinate.